Hello and welcome. It's Monday, June 8th. Start your week with this motivating quote from Eleanor Roosevelt. Do one thing every day that scares you. With that in mind, let's dive into the latest headlines. Wall Street tumbled Friday, with the S&P 500 down 2.6% and the Nasdaq off more than 4%, its worst day since October. Big tech names like Nvidia and Broadcom led losses after a strong May jobs report showed 172,000 jobs added. That pushed bond yields higher, reducing chances of a rate cut and raising the odds of a hike this year. Rising rates hit growth-focused tech stocks hardest. Energy and healthcare held gains as investors shifted to more defensive ground. Inflation and high oil prices from the U.S.-Iran conflict keep pressure on the economy. A federal judge has struck down Trump administration freezes on asylum and immigration applications from 39 countries. The policies began after a 2025 D.C. shooting that killed a National Guard soldier and wounded another. The freeze stopped decisions on green cards, work permits, citizenship, and asylum, leaving thousands in limbo. Judge John McConnell said the government acted unlawfully and out of anti-immigrant animus. Immigration advocates call the decision a major win for the rule of law. Taylor Swift's latest track, I Knew It, I Knew You, written for Pixar's Toy Story 5, has broken Spotify's record for most streams in a single day for a country song by a female artist. Co-written with Jack Antonoff, it was inspired by Jessie the Cowgirl. Pixar kept the project secret for months, even from most of the crew, by showing a decoy version in early screenings. Toy Story 5 hits theaters June 19. McDonald's is testing a voice-activated AI called Archie IQ at 5 drive-thrus in the U.S., built with Google's technology. It's part of the company's new McDonald's Next strategy to speed up service and help managers run stores more efficiently. The system has already handled over 1 million orders, with 90% needing no human help. Still, many customers are unhappy, saying they prefer friendly staff and worry automation could replace jobs. A parrot unseen for most of the past century has been found again in the mountains of Indonesia's Buru island. The blue-fronted lorikeet, first described in the 1920s, was photographed and recorded this April after a grueling climb into remote highland forest. Endemic to the island, meaning it lives nowhere else, it had been listed as data deficient due to scarce data. Researchers saw at least 9 birds. The find offers hope, but also urgency, as deforestation and human activity still threaten its fragile habitat. Thank you for listening. If you want to know more about any of these stories, just ask.